आज मैं ये ग्रीन मॉल में आया हूँ. आई एम हाईली इम्प्रेस्ड with this beautiful surroundings, and Rawat ji is a passionate green lover, and I am very happy. I have made friends with him from today, and we will definitely visit this place again for our active acres where we stay, for our community projects where we do all the tree plantations, and in fact this month is the environment month, and we are doing a lot of activities. We have a thing called Project Rise, in which we do all these activities involving all our community youth. So it's a great thing that he has done. It's a business, but it's a very lovely business to be in. To promote greenery and to save nature, save the Mother Earth, there's no better business than that. He is doing business with the Almighty. Thank you.
Yeah.